Dear student, due to coronavirus, school started online classes for your study. So you can subscribe Golden Flower Palia YouTube channel, like and press the bell icon.
Hello students, this is part 17 of class 12 accountancy. The same chapter will continue in this class. Chapter is accounting for partnership firm fundamental. In this class, we'll solve a question number 15. So first, before starting the question, first I am explaining the question. A, B and C are partners sharing profit in the ratio 2:3:5. So students, in this question, three partners is there. First A, B and C, and profit share ratio is given 2:3:5. And on 1st July 2004, A and B guaranteed loan of 2 lakh and 1 lakh respectively to the firm. It means A has to give in the loan to the firm amount of A 2 lakh, A loan amount to 2 lakh, and B loan amount is given in the question is 1 lakh. Now continue. Show the distribution of profit and loss for the year ended 31st March 2005 in the following cases. In this question, two cases given for the distribution of profit. First case is here. If the profit before interest for the year amounted to 7,500. First case is given in the profit is 7,500. And second case is the loss before interest for the amount to 7,500. Let's now see the question. So first interest and loan is 2 lakh and on given on the loan on 1st July to 31st March. Total months is 9. 1st July to 31st March. July, August, September, October, November, December, January, February and March is 9 months. And one more thing students, I have to be explained. When the interest and loan is not given in the question, that time we will charge for the 6% of interest on loan. 6%. Now calculate this. 2,001 is equal to 9,000. A will receive an interest and loan of 9,000 and second will be same 9 months, same date is given, and 6% here we will charge 2,1 and is equal to 4,500. So interest and loan 9,000 for the A and B for the 4,500. Both the partner, the firm will be paid to interest loan out of the profit because profit is given. Till this profit, the interest on loan is not to be paid. So first, for the payment of interest loan, we'll prepare profit and loss account. Profit and loss account. In this time will not to be prepared profit and loss appropriation account for the year ended 2005 for 31st March 2005, 31st March proper date is given. Then you prepare profit loss account. First column particular, second amount and particulars. Same posting for the as per class 11th of the profit loss format. So in this question profit is given. Then first we will write a profit. By profit is given 7,500. Out of this 7,500, the firm will be paid interest and loan to interest on loan. Interest on loan, the firm will be paid. It will be a debit because it is the expenses of the firm. So firm first interest and loan A is equal to 9,000 and B is equal to 4,500. Total is equal to 13,500. See the difference student. Up to question of 14, those questions have to solve. That time the credit side will be more than from the debit side. But in this question, the debit side is excess from the credit side. It means there is the cases of loss. Loss is there. So 13,500 less by 7,500. There will be a loss. So see the calculation of the loss. First amount total of 13,500 and 7,500, total remain is 6,000. 6,000 is a loss, and these loss will be distributed in the profit share ratio 2 among the partners. These partners will be take off this loss or bear this loss. The first a partner 2 upon 10 is equal to 1,200, and 6,000 3 upon 10 is equal to 1,800, and C partner 5 upon 10 is equal to 3,000. And loss by loss transfer to A's capital account. First loss is 1,200. It will be a transfer to the partner's capital account debit side because it is a loss. These loss are decrease the profit and the capital of the partner. Next is 1,800 and C's capital account is equal to 3,000. Now total is equal to 6,000 and balancing 13,500 and 13,500. Now case A is solved. After B case. For the B case, same account will prepare profit and loss account for the paying the interest and loan to the partners. Profit and loss account for the year ended 31st March 2005. Same column we will draw. First column is particulars, amount, particular and amounts. And interest and loan, both the cases are the same. Before the interest and loan paying, in this head, the loss is given. It is A point, the profit was given 7,500, but in the case for B, loss is given. So loss will be a debit to loss. To loss account 7,500, and will pay our interest and loan out of the loss to interest and loan. The partner will bear loss and the interest and loan both. A 9,000 and B 4,500. Total is equal to 13,500. And no one posting of the credit side. Total is 21,000. 21,000 is a loss, and this loss will be distributed among their partner in their profit loss ratio by loss transfer to A's capital account, by A's capital account, B's capital account and C's capital account. And 21,000, see the calculation, 21,000 profit share ratio is 235, then 2 by 10, 3 by 10 and 5 by 10 is equal to 4,200 is equal to 6,300 is equal to 10,500. 21,000 and 21,000. Clear? 0 to 0 cancel. 2 0, 5 is a 5, 5 2 is a 10. This amount will post in the partners capital account. 4,200, 6,300 and 10,500. 21,000 the balance. Student, one more thing. In this question, the question is not to be asking for about the partner's capital account. If the question is asking for about the partner's capital account, so these balance 42, 63 and 10,500 are transferred to the partner's capital account on the debit side because it is a loss. These loss will be decreased the partner's capital balance and these balance will be deducted out of the profits to the partners. So it was question number 15. Thank you, students.
Do self-study at home and stay home, save lives. Thank you very much.